to prove to the world that this guy say he laugh on the head, because we go continue to believe everything with this guy. We get stress talk before you and your mama go swear go back. Now palace where they go. If you want be the juju, make it be from palace, because palace juju not they do baby here. If you go bring juju from any other place, I will saga you, saga the native daughter madam, and maybe no game matter. Oh, I don't know another way. Oh, take by them dia. Yeah, well, not the war. Where did them dia? Okugbowa na you are the cost now. Yarwa we, my table you. Because of say down, okay. You give this boy wawa. Order the wawa. What has on the wawa? Oya mo wa Joshua, what are the 1,000 boy now? And that from that day, you say you want to go stay with your mama. You cannot use this guy to escape poverty. Now go stand for this guy. Imagine say this guy by before December, January, February next year, he don't blow. I'll say, oh, wow, content they pay, content they pay. Am I where you don't go exchange? And for the family of this guy, so today happy say we they donate, make them continue to they attack Okugbowa family for us. They say, I may send a donation or may send a donation. If I catch you, you will do that voice note. Give that woman buy your garbage. Iga amwe. Ya ize boy ha. Igbera igbijue. Igbima ya fe no legal. Because you be stupid uncle to Okugbowa. I got that kind of uncle now. But that my uncle na bere. In France. That my yeye uncle. But both ya kule loni. Only here dey very war. Either my uncle want deceive you, or when I bury him, and they talk well still so, but he says Tamara when they talk normal, but when he wants to deceive you more, the brothers are that here, yeah. You got bury. You yourself go the pity that I don't know where that kind of uncle that is useless. I say useless, and that kind of uncle now Okotor get. That useless uncle now Okotor get. Pray, make more the church they had you they go as they had you they go so. Because I'm not fear jack this guy wanna use that to do a for the platform. Okay, my people, and I get ye. There's not the time to laugh. I've been at the way they do one. And I get ye. Now, apart from me, all the bloggers and presenters who don't talk this issue, how many of them donate for this guy? Wata. How many of them? That's why they beg when I say, well, how do you give to me? Because not only the giver that give me that my benefit. Only the cap, the editor that still give me all a benefit in me. This guy, I never call us, they say, transfer 500,000 from my account. Why no? All the people where I don't help. One woman come that day, Enogie, which kind of heart you get? I say, I don't understand. He said, because you help people, you don't collect 1 naira from them. I say, that is it. You cannot believe, okay, if I say, Okotor, give me 500,000 now, I'm a fool. Is that help? That's not help. That's extortion. I deceived you people. At the end of the day, me can go collect the veil. Therefore, don't disgrace me.
Like business.
Couple I say, they use the people problem to they do business. But the one who not gift me for you, I'm my own. Say people still carry me for MC. Ofo, now we make game. Anyone say, but you see this guy, so I will stand by this guy. Thank you, Efizi boss. Until this guy get justice. You see, person will not get papa mama. God will send someone that will fight for him. You will be that blogger where they lie, say this guy now eyes they take. You will bring evidence when the time comes. You need to bring evidence, not be the one you talk with mouth. Now, thank God say some of your mumu followers, when they follow you, don't still get cool. Say you are now doing this out of Babylon because you were supporting this guy before, meaning your support towards this guy was not from a genuine heart. You were doing it because you were expecting this guy to come to your platform. When this guy come my platform, because say me and you are enemy, you can't say this guy is smoke eyes.
Pass, mommy.
I'm calling.
No, it's not me. It's just that.
So, You people should cut this part. Bloggers should cut this part. For those of you that way wants to hear pan, now name be that one. Precious Omorogbe. That's his name. That's his account number. Now 2.5. Now we don't forget. He said that 2.5. Now he did the transport. Since then, and you know they fruits, may they eat, may they drink tea and bread in the morning. You know, may just there around some kind of people. Now the father family, some of them for instance, they want to commode this boy for his mama side, for his mama family side, and we the online in-laws say no to it. I don't tell that girl. Anybody will come to us, tell me, I get lawyer for Benin, I will petition where they can tell us where this boy, when this boy they make videos upon videos, say if friend want buy am, we need to tell. I will put body for this matter and she say Okotor na my son. Thank God the guy came out to debunk it the other day, say he don't know the person when they talk. So it will be easier for them to fuck you up. You will be tired, papa, brother. You know what? You must know the lack for family. Thank you so much. How many times now you as a person don't send this boy money? You will be your uncle or a papa family. We don't know her before. We give her 2.5. We will be papa family. How much I don't give us his name? Wait till I want carry this boy to do. Wow, the boy now. Wow, the boy now. This boy not go there. The long life where papa and mama no get, all together, join together. This guy go leave, he only go leave papa, go leave mama. This guy go old. I will make sure before I go leave this guy completely. I will not say the guy don't bounce back. The guy don't do okay. He don't get the body when he get before I cut and say, my brother, this is where I will stop in your life. Continue, but be very careful with friends. Awful. The glory will come to this platform. The glory will go to our mothers, sisters. Not you people wey be say man. If not juju, I did. Pastors, I did. Court, police, rewan, I did. The other way around. I make it we are limited in me. And I said, I'm way out. This boy must leave. Because this guy is an actor. Bad one for that matter. That's why they use American English with Benin till they do comedy. But you don't fear that kind of person. May I play some of a comedy video for you? That's why when they use Benin till they do comedy. Then this boy family say make him constantly go bring juju. After they don't accuse una finish. So that una fit go tear down a baba. See the thing where they want to do this boy. This is not get sense. No one say matter where enter no get hard or phone for it says I don't meet you. This guy go bring juju. Then before the juju date, the wrong go bath. Or probably if the guy go even bring juju, the man where they stand for Okugbowa and mama fit still know the native daughter. He go tell her say this juju we want do so. Now Benin now, not let her affect her. But then why just do this thing to take clear the word say this boy na eyes they take. Then they can't go on that day, they can't go swear. They'll say they want swear safe to prove, they'll say make they laugh. At the end of the day, they'll say, we don't swear, oh. You see, don't swear. The next day they'll go return her. But Oba Juju not be like that. Palace Juju not be like that. They know they take blood for Palace. All the online in-laws. I say online in-laws. All my fans all over the world. And this guy fans say, we say no to nobody Juju apart from Palace Juju. And if you people do not bring juju, if I wait your mama, meaning you people did what you did to this guy because a mom and a you just have let you be like this. Okay, as we all donate for now, we all close the case. No, because I said this guy is smoke ass. When they make us look stupid, this guy talk for more than 1 hour. He not repeat 2 words. He go check up. Amaga have a medical problem. Say maybe a magba. This guy said what he said because Okugbowa said in Mama and Jehovah Witness. That made this guy vex. Come to say, your Mama and Jehovah Witness is truth, but your Mama say do juju. Let me come my page, but At the time of his explanation, my fans now feel pity for him, and everybody started donating. That's them, they missed it 100,000. You love this boy. So I beg, these guys still need our help. Let's try to see what we can still be doing for him, because it's not easy. Person will not get papa, will not get mama. This much more money will be still for a comedy now anywhere, because of the body when he can't get now. The guy reduce, not be small. I don't want me to carry a come out for camera. Maybe I'll give you away, say I can be. But I know that the God of heaven and earth and the God of orphan will stand by this guy and make this guy a better person again. Since that guy don't use the 1,000 naira with they give him to shop, is free from the spell they put on him. This guy on the other one say he know what they do, because his mother now also native doctor to her grandmother. And they see a lot of people, they blame, they say small children they do juju. No, they don't do juju to take by a person. No. This guy, so Okugbowa, Okotor, he don't do juju to take by anybody. He do juju for himself. As I been, if I do juju, I say make my family live long, oh. Make my fans, may God bless them, oh. May God give them long life, oh. You see how they do juju. How they do juju to do evil. They do juju for something. So we not go agree for wayo juju. This matter is beyond what you guys thought it is. This guy here knows what he's doing. The only way where all of us will come day against this guy, will come day against this guy. Now when they bring the palace juju, this guy come to say, may we forget the matter. And that time all of us will come turn against and say, no, forget which matter. No, this boy kind of a good native doctor. You still tell us, say, this guy called native doctor come as small as this guy. Okugbowa. Called native doctor come. Do you know what it means? Meaning the guy all day told juju. Where? For you to feel control native daughter as they control babe, come ask me, come do something for you. This is, are you talking straight? If you now bring palace juju, this is the only way we can dey against and say, no, now. Go to juju, may go swear. And this guy here is ready anytime, any day. But say make this guy can't go bring juju. No. It don't work like that. If I accuse you, say you thief my laptop. Now you when I accuse and you go bring juju for me. So you can't use and take the next say I not thief you no get laptop. Oh. Not be you when me tell say you thief laptop. You cause they thought say now me go bring juju come to come prove say it does not work like that. So please, I beg you in the name of God, I beg you, tell your mother to do the needful. He's telling us the truth, because you know if you cover this thing, you not go feel us cover this thing, you get. So that's it. Now my people, let's go to another topic. Then maybe probably when I come back later today,